Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be continuing the tutorial from my previous video. First, open the Procreate tab and create a new canvas with a size of 3000 x 3000 pixels using the RGB color profile. Next, import the pattern swatch image from your photo gallery into the canvas. Now, we need to resize the image to fit the canvas. There are two ways to do this. You can either manually resize the image layer until it touches the edges of the canvas, or use the selection tool to copy and paste the image into a new layer and then fit it to the canvas. Go to the Adjustments icon and select Hue, Saturation, and Brightness. Turn down the saturation to 0% and adjust the brightness to 67% or any value that suits your needs. Then go to the Curves option and slightly adjust the gamma curve to increase the visibility of the sketch lines. Create a new layer and set it as the active layer for drawing the pattern swatch. Choose a brush you like and start drawing the motif in the new layer, starting with the center motif that doesn't crop to the edges. Once you've finished drawing the first draft, group the layers and duplicate the group layer. Then select one of the group layers and use the transform to move it to the left until it snaps into place. Repeat this process for the other side. Merge the group layers and start tracing the motif again. Repeat the process of duplicating and moving the layers until you have a full digital pattern swatch. Ensuring yellow line appears when the group snaps to the edge. Drag another group to the bottom. Merge the layers into a one group. Keep tracing the remaining motifs. During the tracing process, you have the freedom to change the element if it does not suit the overall repeats, like changing the angle, the motifs, enlarge it or delete the motif. Once finished, to duplicate the group layer. Keep the same process for the last motifs until it finishes. To test the pattern swatch, duplicate the layer and flatten it. Then duplicate the flattened layer and drag it to one of the quadrants of the canvas into place. Repeat this process until you have a full repeat. Do a visual inspection of the full repeat, and make any necessary adjustments to the motif to improve the balance and negative space. Go to the new pattern swatch layer. Tweak the motifs that affect the negative space. Go to the selection icon and select the freehand selection. And select the motif and adjust it. And now test the new pattern swatch. Duplicate the group layer and flatten it. Duplicate the flattened swatch and repeat it seamlessly. Don't forget to turn on the snapping and magnetic tool to ensure the pattern swatches snap to edges while dragging. Now, the final swatch is ready for the coloring process. That's it for today's video. In the next video, I'll show you my process for coloring the motifs and share some tips about colors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.